guys, it's Megan. We are live. Welcome back. Today is Thursday, April 21st, I think. Hopefully all of you guys are having a fantastic afternoon. I am about to head out to the gym, but I went outside on my front porch to grab my USPS box that I leave all the packages in, and I found a mystery box out front that I had ordered a week or two ago. So I figured we'd open this box before I head to the gym. Hey, Dive and Tori, how are you? Hi, Randy, thanks for coming in. Hi, Seller by the Shore. This mystery box is from a company called Boutique by the Box. I've seen a couple things from them on Instagram, and I saw another girl's haul post, so I figured, what the heck, I'd give it a shot. I'm bored. You guys know I've been opening up those thread up denim boxes, so I just wanted something to try out. This was their $100, I had to write this down, some information from their post. It's a $100 Break the Seal box, which is supposed to be like their intro box. Before you spend a bunch of money with them, you can buy this small $100 box and get a sample of what they have for sale. Hi Tessa, thanks for coming in. Hi Fighting Cadence, thanks for stopping by. Dive and Tori, hey, I snagged 3 denim boxes. As I was purchasing a 4th, they sold out. Oh, wow. Dive and Tori, I only got 2 of them, so you got more than I did this time around. Hi, Hope. Hi, Shoppy. Thanks for coming in. All right, so for $100, and I believe it was free shipping, they said you will get 10 new with tags, mix of high and low value items. They define low value as anything less than $69 and high value anything over $79. They had a small list of sample brands, which included Joe's Jeans, Madewell, Lafayette 148, Frame, Tory Burch, and Foxy Docs. I like all those brands. So let's open this up and see what we got. It's kind of a small box, to be honest. Well, I guess I shouldn't show you my address. It's not very big, but it is only 10 items, and if they're smaller pieces, they would definitely fit in this just fine. Definitely not going to be any sweaters or coats in here, that's for sure. Hey Jen, thanks for stopping by. Yeah, it's definitely been a long day. Me and you still need to talk. I'm about to head out to the gym though after this. Okay, so open it up. They've got some brown paper here on top. Well, at least everything's folded nicely. Let's see. So, welcome to the family, Boutique by the Box. Let me just read their little card here. At Boutique by the Box, we are here to support your resale business beyond our custom curated boxes. We want to provide a supportive reselling community that provides valuable information and connects resellers across the world. See other contact information. It looks like you can find them on Instagram at boutique.by.the.box. They're also on Facebook. So $100, 10 items. Let's see what we got. Okay, first up. Looks like they folded everything pretty nicely in here. Heather by Bordeaux. I know Bordeaux is sold at Nordstrom Rack. This is new with tags. Price says $98. I've never heard of this brand before. It's just a little light, cardigan. Not really anything exciting because you guys know I like denim, but that's all right. New with tags, $100 piece. Why am I complaining? This is by Line and Dot. This is also new with tags. Is this a dress? It is a dress. Look at that. That's cute. Little leopard print. That's something I would wear. So Line and Dot, size medium. New with tags. I don't know the original price, and I've actually never sold this brand before, so I don't know what the resale value is on this. I think it's a Bolo brand, but I don't really know, to be honest. Hey, Dogwood Boutique. Jen, hit the bags extra hard for me too, please. What? What are you talking about, Jen? Hi, Hidden Luxuries. Thanks for stopping by. Maybe I missed something else that you wrote up higher. Hey, Platform Resale. Anyways, this is beautiful. I'm sure this is probably worth over $100. That's really nice. Next up, this looks like a swimsuit. What is this? Oh, it's like the strap. This is Calvin Klein. Original price was ripped off, but there are tags on here. It's a one piece with like a really long like shoulder thing. It probably goes around like this, I suppose. Well, it's hot pink. This is a good season for it. It is a size 4. So I'll get that posted quick. Oh, this is by Foxy Docs. What is this? This is another dress. No original price on here, so I don't know what this retails for. I know Foxy Docs is definitely over 100. That's cute. I'm not enthused by dresses though, because I currently have a whole bunch to list. Oh, at the gym. Jen, you want me to work extra hard to work out for you too? I can barely work out for myself. Hi, Brian. Thanks for stopping by. This is Vintage Havana. I have never heard of this brand, and this tag looks like one of those boutique brands. It says Made in USA. I've never heard of this. Have any of you heard of this? Vintage Havana. There's no price on it. It doesn't really look like great quality. It looks like something you'd find in one of those boutique shops by those random wholesale brands. Yeah, even just looking at this tag, I don't know. It does not look like a high value piece. What is this? A skirt by, let me get some water. Raga. I haven't heard of this brand. Says on here it was like a sample piece on the back. There's some handwritten information. Size small. It's like kind of like a boho skirt, like maxi. Although I hate skirts, I think this is probably a trendy piece. 3 more items. We've got, okay, this also looks like another boutique brand. Minani. I've never heard of this. I'm going to assume this is a low-end boutique brand. Although it is a trendy style, it has these balloon sleeves. But it has that same like Made in USA tag here as that other brand. And yeah, the inside tag looks the same. I think both of these pieces are random boutique brands that are not worth very much. Okay, I guess this is how it's supposed to. This is full of holes, but I think that is the style. This is a good brand. I don't even know how to say it. It's like Chassor. I'm probably saying that wrong. I've sold this before. It's just a tank top size medium with lots of holes in it, but I believe it was meant to be like that. Oh, actually 2 more pieces. Okay, this is by Gus. Original price $50. This has some staining on the back. And the front looks like it's stained too. There's like these marks all over it. Okay, well that's not very good. Last piece. This is a pair of leggings by a brand called Nux, N-U-X. Nux Active. Never heard of it. I'll have to look it up. Size small. So that's everything. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so there are 10 pieces here. Kind of disappointed there was no jeans because that's what I love. Diventory. It's Chaser. The E is sideways. Oh my gosh, I feel so stupid, Diventory. I know what you're talking about, the that shirt with the holes in it. Chaser. I feel stupid. I'm like, Chaser. Okay, Chaser. Oh my gosh. Jen, yes, great Brolo brand, Chaser. How come I didn't know that's how you say it? Gosh, I feel dumb. Okay. Hey, Steven Fielder, thanks for coming in. Anyways, for $10 a piece, I don't think I'd buy this again. The original price was $150, but if you were a new customer, you could get it for $100, so $10 an item. But just personal opinion, I don't think I'd buy that again, unless one of these pieces is worth a lot. But I mean, I'm assuming this tank top by Chaser is probably only worth 20 or 30. This Foxy or this line and dot dress is pretty, but I don't know what that's worth. Maybe this will go for 70 or 80. The Calvin Klein swimsuit, 20 or 30. These two boutique tops, probably, I don't even know if I'll put those on eBay or not. The Gus dress is stained. These leggings, I'll look them up. These might be worth something, so we'll see. I was kind of disappointed there was no jeans. And then this Raga skirt, this other dress by, what is this? Foxy Docs. This will probably go for 80 or so. And then this Heather by Bordeaux, maybe 25 or 30. And those are low numbers I'm just giving because I don't really know. But anyway, so Boutique by the Box, if you want to try them out, they are on Instagram, or you can just go to their website, Google them, boutiquebythebox.com, I think it is. Doesn't have their website on here. Just Google them if you want to try them out. If you haven't bought them before, you can do this Break the Seal intro box for $100. Anyways, thanks you guys for stopping in, and I'll see you all in the next video.